Hey guys, so if you did yesterday's assignment, I've returned it to you. So what I want you to do at some point, maybe pause the video now or after this video, I want you to find that returned document from yesterday and take a look at the notes that you wrote. So yesterday you were supposed to choose one of the topics that I gave to you, and then you were supposed to take notes on what you researched related to that topic. All right, so go ahead and take a look at that. And I also want you to open up the document that has been posted today. So right below this video is a new document with instructions for what I want you to do today. And so I'm going to explain in this video what I want you to do today, but I also want you to carefully read those instructions on that document, because that document also contains the essay at the end. You'll actually write your essay on that document. I think step 5 has a square or a rectangle that you fill out, and that's where you'll actually write your paragraph. So I'm going to give you an example. This example, it's not about gummy worms. It happens to be about astronauts. But the reason why I'm providing this example is that it gives you a feeling for the structure that I'm looking for. I'm looking for an introduction. So this sentence up here that's in a different color is the introduction. And I'm looking for sentences that give more detail about why you said what you said in your introduction. So provide detailed sentences. And then a conclusion. So down here in this other color is the conclusion. Okay? So I'm going to read this to you, and then after I read it, I'm going to explain the different parts of it, because I want you, when you write your essay, to structure your essay in a similar manner. And I call it an essay. It's just a one paragraph that I want you to write today. Just one single paragraph. So the paragraph should be 5 to 7 sentences in length, and it should start out with an introduction. It should have the middle piece here, 4 or 5 sentences in the middle, and then the conclusion. So let's listen to this and let me explain more. So it starts out, this is about wanting to be an astronaut. It starts out, when I grow up, I want to be an astronaut. Astronauts explore places that people have never been before. They make new discoveries about our solar system. Some astronauts even walk in space. Being an astronaut would be fun and challenging work. Okay, so you know what this paragraph is about right away. It's about this person's desire to be an astronaut when they grow up. Okay, so that person made it clear in their introduction, or their starter sentence. In the actual document right below this, I call it a starter sentence. And your starter sentence will be related to whatever topic you chose yesterday. Now, I've provided some starter sentences that you can use. You can just copy and paste the starter sentence onto your essay, or you can come up with your own. But your starter sentence introduces what you'll be talking about in your essay. So the person says, when I grow up, I want to be an astronaut. Now, after the starter sentence, the part in green goes on to give details about being an astronaut. And these details relate to this person's interests. So this person says, astronauts explore places that people have never been before. They make new discoveries about our solar system. And it says some astronauts even walk in space. So these are all aspects of being an astronaut that are interesting to this person. So this person is explaining, essentially, why they made this first statement afterwards in green. So then the person concludes by saying, being an astronaut would be fun and challenging work. So this is the conclusion, because it sums up the main point of what this writer is trying to say. So the writer makes a statement, provides evidence to support that statement, and then makes the main point of what all of this is saying. Okay? So that's what I'm looking for in your essay, and I laid this out in a step-by-step guide of what I'm looking for. And I even provided you with a starter sentence that you can just copy and paste. Now you'll be doing this entire paragraph, you'll be doing it on the document that's posted right below here. And it will explain where to do it. So one paragraph, 5 to 7 sentences, and it's not due today, it's due tomorrow. So do some work on it today, do some work tomorrow, and then you'll be done, and we'll meet individually on Thursday to revise your essay. All right, so go ahead and click on the document that's right below this video. Make sure you have your notes open, because you'll be including the information from your notes for your evidence. Okay, so go ahead and do that now, and make sure you message me on Google Hangouts if you have any questions.